My name is Bulent Kiziltan, and I'm a graduate student at the Department of Astronomy and Astrophysics at UCSC. My main research is on neutron stars. Neutron stars are presumably the most exotic and most fascinating objects in the universe in terms of the density and the magnetic field that they possess. Stars, when they die, when they finish up all their fuel, they will collapse either into a white dwarf, a neutron star, or a black hole. I'm studying the state when it's turning into a neutron star. And one of my professors in the physics department was working on neutron stars. And once I heard the incredible densities and magnetic fields that neutron stars possess, I got really fascinated by those objects. When you squeeze Earth into a small matchbox, that would be the density that you reach in those neutron stars. That blew my mind. Whenever I feel frustrated or whenever I feel I'm losing my motivation, just going out and watching the stars with my naked eye or going to an observatory and observing those stars really motivates me again. And the fact that the sky is our laboratory makes it even more fascinating. As Carl Sagan puts it, we are all stardust. So some of the elements that make us who we are actually have been built in the very centers of those stars and those explosions. So essentially, by looking at the stars and trying to see and understand how the universe evolves, how the stars evolve, is intellectually and physically understanding who we are. Our department has been ranked the #1 astronomy department in the nation several times in the last few years. Competence and approachability don't necessarily go together in science. And I believe UCSC Astronomy Department is one of the few departments where you have very competent people that are still very nice and approachable. And that makes it a very warm and welcoming environment for a graduate student, which is very important. We feel in our department, especially by the department head and the other faculty who are in charge with graduate advising, taking really good care of us. They're making sure that we prosper in the field. But beyond that, as senior graduate students, we have taken it upon us to start a peer mentoring program where we transfer our year-long experience to our junior peers so that they would not necessarily have to go through the same obstacles that we have gone through, hence finishing up graduate school earlier and starting an early career.